Mariam and Nuha, you have started with solutions, no? Already?
Yes, sir. Solutions. Yeah.
And काम करते हैं. We will start with solution, and this week, by this week, I hopefully I'll be making a batch where I will be starting organic chemistry. ठीक है? तो I think Rishita and Harsha. Harsha, though, you can join. I mean, you can be in both the classes because according to the last year syllabus of your school, solutions is also coming. Halkin, halorine is also coming, and alcohol, phenol, ethers, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics. All of these are there in the quarterly examination, है ना? So most probably you can attend both the batches. Rishita will be attending only Halkin, halorine. Mariam, Noha, Yahya, those they will be attending the solutions chapter. Okay. So Rishita, you bear for one class, and by next class I will be starting a organic chemistry batch also. Okay, Rishita, makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And if you want to attend both the classes now, like if you think that there is not much pressure right now, I will attend both the batches, then you are free to attend both the batches. But the only thing is that you will be making notes. Okay. So Rishita, you will not be making notes today, right? Because solutions. You will be making notes, but you make it in your rough notebook type of thing. And Mariam, you have a new textbook, not textbooks, my bad. You have a new notebook.
Yes, sir.
For chemistry.
Yeah.
Okay. Noha. Okay. Noha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have a new textbook. No, sorry, new notebook for chemistry.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Harsha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. And Yahya, what about you?
Yes, sir.
So let us start. Write the heading. Solutions. So first of all, basic definition of solution. What is a solution? Solution, it is a homogeneous mixture. Please write with me. Homogeneous mixture of two or more components. What is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Homogeneous का meaning क्या होता है? Homogeneous means uniform mixture. Means that, for example, you must have prepared ruafza yesterday, or maybe preparing today also. So when you prepare ruafza, in that you add ruafza and then you add water and then ruafza. So no matter where you taste the ruafza from, if it is mixed very properly, it will taste the same. It will not taste different. But if it is not mixed properly, then it will be a bit sweet, bitter type of taste at the end of the container, right? So if you mix it properly, it will be uniformly distributed, and that is what homogeneous means. So solution is what? It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Okay. Now, you have to study about in detail about those solutions which have only two components. And solution containing two components is called binary solution. Solution containing only two components is called binary solution. It's called binary solution. What may be these components called? So they have name. components of solution. The component which is present in larger amount, it is known as solvent. And we will be denoting solvent by letter A. And what is solvent? Basic definition is component in larger amount. Component in larger amount. Then we have solute. What is solute? Solute is component in minor amount. Solute component in minor amount. Okay. Now, please write this down. All of you done? Yes or no? Mariam, Noha, Rishita, Harsha, and Yehya. Let me know once you're done writing.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Anyone done? Okay. Anyone still writing? No? देखिए solution अगर है आपके पास, for example, let us suppose P is a solution. Can we say that? You say no, tell me guys. Yahya, Mariam, Harsha, Noha, Rishita. T is a solution, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
T is a solution. Is like yes, like whatever tea you have drank till now, you have had till now, are all the tea same? Like no matter who is making the tea, is it? So what is different in tea? So in tea there are few things which can be different, ना? Like आप क्या बोलते हैं चीनी कम है ना? By the way, all of you understand a bit of Hindi, right? Yes or no? Like Mariam, Noha, Rishita, and Harshad understand. Yahya?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा आप तो हैदराबाद से है ना?
जी सर.
जी तो आपको तो पता ही है हिंदी. ठीक है. सो व्हेन वी हैव टी, कभी हम क्या कहते हैं चीनी कम है, कभी हम कहते हैं पत्ती ज्यादा है, ठीक है, दूध कम पड़ गया, ठीक है. सो वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट अ पर्टिकुलर कॉम्पोनेंट, है ना. व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट टी, सो डिफरेंट, इफ यू हैव डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशंस, हाउ आर दे डिफरिंग इन? सो दे विल डिफर. First of all, difference will be in the components. Like one is a solution of sugar, the other is a solution of salt. But even if you have 5 sugar solution, they will be having different tastes. Why? Because some will have more sugar, some will have less sugar. And this difference, how do we say? We say it in terms of concentration terms. So in order to differentiate between solutions of same components also, we talk about concentration terms. So a solution is defined by its concentration term. ठीक है ना. एक solution को define करने वाली चीज क्या होती है? It is the concentration. So concentration, it has various concentration terms. So write the next heading, concentration terms. Concentration terms. Now, initially we'll start with a very light concentration terms and then we will move on. And these concentration terms you have already learned in your 11th standard also. है ना? So number 1, please write mass percentage. This is denoted by percentage W by W. ठीक है? Or it is written this many percentage by mass. See, I'm writing the formula, but formula is not very important. Mass percentage is equal to mass of a component whole thing divided by mass of solution multiplied by 100. But this formula is not very important. What is important is, for example, if you have been given, let us suppose 10% of aqueous NaOH by mass. ठीक है? Now they have given this term 10% aqueous NaOH by mass. Here you can see only one number, that is 10. But there are three numbers hidden in this one number. Okay, so there are total of three numbers. You have been shown only one number. There's a total of three numbers that is present here. What are the three numbers? Acha, by the way, we have said now we will be using solvent A as solvent and B as solute. So when they say 10% of aqueous NaOH, then they are saying what? They are saying that the mass of solute, I will write it properly, but then I will use some short methods. No? Mass of solute is equal to 10 grams, and they are saying mass of solution is equal to 100 grams. That means in each 100 gram of the solution, 10 gram of solute is added. That means mass of solvent will be 90 grams. Make sense? Yes or no? Please tell me. Everyone, please tell me. This makes sense?
Yes.
Mariam, Noha, Rishita,
Yes, sir.
Harsha.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? उसी तरह से in general, if we have been given X%, not X percentage X, but rather X percentage W by W, and they can use by mass, this word by mass, in order to show that it is mass percentage, or W by W of something. ठीक है ना? You can add anything, NaCl, NaOH, H2SO4, anything. So they have given the mass of W, I represent by W is for mass of solute, it is equal to X gram. Mass of solution will be equal to 100 grams, and the mass of solvent, that is noted by A, will be equal to 100 minus X grams. Please write this down. Raise your hand once you are done writing. Okay, Harsha is done. Waiting for Mariam, Noha, Rishita, and Yahya. Yahya, waiting for you. Do you know how to raise hand on Zoom? Yahya. Oh, yeah, good. Fine. They write also one more line with me. Okay, this 10% aqueous NaOH, this will also mean 10 gram of NaOH in every 100 gram of solution. Okay, this is also one of the meanings. And from here, write a question. %. W in 200 grams of 20% W by W. Okay. I hope you have written the question. Yeah. Now please see the solution. How to solve this? First of all, you have been given 20% W by W aqueous solution of NaOH. So from here you can write 20 grams of NaOH in 100 gram of solution. ठीक है, but 20 ग्राम कितने में? 100 ग्राम. But how many grams of solution do we have? We have 200 grams. That means in 20 grams is in 100 grams. So in 200 grams, mass of NaOH will be equal to how much? Tell me guys. 100 grams में 20 है, तो 200 में कितना होगा? 40. Yeah, easy है ना. So in 200 gram mass of NaOH is equal to 40 grams. ठीक है, तो moles of NaOH कितना हो जाएगा? 40 divided by, if you calculate the molar mass of NaOH, it is also 40 है ना. This will be equal to 1 mole. Make sense? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है, जी जी. Any question? Right. And right now we have not studied in 12th standard, but we have studied it in 11th standard. You have the number of moles of, you have number of moles of what? The solute. You have mass of the solute. You have mass of this solution. You can calculate mass of solvent. It will be equal to how much? 160 grams. Okay. You have mass of solvent, you have number of moles also. So you can calculate molality, which will be equal to how much? Number of moles is equal to 1. And what is the mass of solvent? 160 grams. 160 grams means 0.16 kg. This will be equal to how much? 0.16. I can write it like this, no? 100 upon 16 moles per kg. This will be getting an idea where we are heading towards. Yes or no, please tell me. So if you have been given the mass percentage, you can actually calculate what? You can very easily calculate the moles of solute. Make sense? Yes or no, please tell me. Even if you don't understand molality right now, but you understand that we can calculate what? The number of moles of solute if the mass percentage has been given. आगे बढ़े. Mariam, Noha, Arshita, Yahya and Harsha.
Yes, sir.
Now moving on. We have is known as volume percentage. Volume percentage is percentage V by V. Okay? Now here I will not be writing the formula, but directly we'll be writing how it is going to be used. So for example, you have 10 percentage V by V of aqueous ethanol, right? Aqueous ethanol. What would it mean? This would mean the not mass. Now you have volume. So volume of the solute is equal to 10 ml. Volume of solution, it is equal to 100 ml. And volume of solvent, it is equal to 90 ml. Okay. So in general, if you have X percentage V by V of something, this will give you the volume of the solute, which is equal to X ml. Will give you the volume of solution, which is equal to 100 ml. And it is volume of solvent, which is equal to 100 minus X ml. Similarly, you will have mass by volume percentage. This is represented by W upon V. Here, if you have been given X percentage W upon V of something, this would mean the mass of solute, it is equal to X grams, and the volume of solution, it is equal to 100 ml. Okay, that's it. You cannot know what is the amount of solvent here, because we have two different units. We have grams and ml, and two different unit cannot have, I mean, we cannot do addition or subtraction in when we have two different units. ये आप लोगों ने unit dimension and measurement में पढ़ा होगा. That is why we cannot calculate the amount of solvent in mass by volume percentage. But if you have been given the density, okay, so let us suppose density have been given, so we can write the mass of solution will be equal to how much? Density of solution into 100, because 100 ml, and density is equal to what? Mass by volume. So mass will be equal to d into v. So volume into density, that will give you what? The mass. And once you have got the mass of solution, then you can calculate the mass of solvent also, which will be equal to mass of solution minus x. This will mean grams. Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Anyone still writing?
Me, sir.
Anyone still writing? No. Okay. Right, the fourth concentration term. Parts per million. Okay. This is used when the amount of solvent is very less. Used when amount of solute is very less. Okay. What is the formula for ppm is equal to parts of component. Components and components I'm writing in general, but it is usually it is going to be solute. Take a parts of solute, parts of component, because for whatever component you want to get the ppm, you will put the parts of that component. Okay, but generally it is solute. Parts of component divided by total parts of solution multiplied by 10 to the power 6. Okay, so it is very similar to the mass percentage also. So in mass, you had the mass of component divided by mass of solution into 100, because it was percent. Now we are having per million. That is why we are multiplying it by 10 to the power 6. Okay. Now, one difficulty is generally what is parts? So parts can be anything. So in the numerator, parts can be ml, gram, kg, or whatever. You have to use the same unit in the. You have to use the same unit in the denominator also. But sometimes you can use grams in the numerator and ml in the denominator. It is not going to vary so much. Okay. So because we are multiplying 10 to the power 6, now so this power is more important rather than the fraction that you are going to get from parts of component divided by total parts of the solution. Fine. So this is ppm. Now there is a relationship between mass percentage and ppm. I can write ppm, it is equal to mass percentage multiplied by 10 to the power 4. Because mass percentage, it has the fraction part. This fraction part is same, multiplied by 100. And if you multiply 10 to the power 4 into 100, it will be 10 to the power 6, and it will be now ppm. Chaliye, please write this down. Anyone still writing? Anyone still writing? No, no one is writing. Okay. Write the next concentration term, molarity. It is denoted by capital M. So what is molarity? By definition, it is the number of moles of solute, the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. Number of moles of solute per liter of solution. So M, it is equal to number of moles of solute, that is NB, divided by volume of solution in liters. So if I talk about the unit is going to be number of moles per liter. Moles liter inverse, that is what? It is the unit. Now we know that number of moles, it is equal to the given mass of the solute divided by the molar mass of the solute. So I can rewrite this equation. M is equal to the given mass of the solute divided by the molar mass of the solute multiplied by volume of solution in liters. Now, most of the times volume will be given in ml. So if you want to plug in directly that formula, then you can rewrite this as M is equal to WB into 1000. I mean, where the 1000 is coming from, I will explain and then put the 1000. Okay, please see. Molar mass of the solute as it is multiplied by volume of solution, you will plug in here as ml. But we have to convert it into liters. That is why I will divide by 1000. And this denominator of denominator will go above, it will become numerator. Okay, denominator of denominator is numerator, and you will get 1000 in the numerator limits. So this is the formula for what? This is the formula for molarity of a solution. Now you can remember this formula. Okay, so you can use directly, or you have to remember this formula. Okay, but there is no choice. Okay, please write this down. Then guys, Jasola, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Anyone still writing? No? Okay.
Finish, sir.
Right here.
Sir, can you
Write
scroll
a
up?
note. Yeah.
Okay, sir, thank
Write a note. Since molarity has a volume term, and volume is temperature dependent, the molarity is also temperature dependent. Okay. First thing is this. Another thing, when we talk about the units of molarity, it can be written in different terms. ठीक है? एक यूनिट तो हम लोगों ने देखा है, it is moles per liter. ठीक है? Or you can represent it by just a capital M, or it is also represented by molar. And this molar word, it has certain uses. For example, 1 molar, if they write, what does it mean? It means 1 mole of solute per liter of solution. ठीक है? अब उसके बाद, for example, if you have, let us suppose, semi-molar. Semi-molar, what does this mean? Semi-molar means half moles. ठीक है? 1/2 mole of solute per liter of solution. If you have centimolar, let us suppose. Centimolar. What would centimolar means? 1/100 moles of solute per liter of solution. Similarly, if you have decimolar, that will mean 1/10 mole of solute per liter of solution. ठीक है? I hope this is clear. Yes or no, please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you wrote this down. Yes or no, please tell me.
Finish, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's right. ठीक है. चलो. Write a question. Hmm. 30 gram of NaOH. It's mixed with water to make solution of 100 ml. ठीक है. Calculate molarity of solution. हो जाएगा ना? Yes or no, tell me. You have been given 30 grams of NaOH. You will calculate the number of moles. You have been given the 100 ml of solution. 100 ml को आप volume में convert करेंगे liters में, and then you will calculate molarity. चलिए, try this question. What happened, guys? अच्छा, Mariam has sent the answer. ठीक है. Once you're done, you can send it on my WhatsApp. Mariam, Harsha has sent. Yes, Harsha, correct. Waiting for Noha, Rishita, and Yahya.
Sir, is mine correct?
Yeah, correct. You're also correct. Rishita, आपसे हो रहा है?
Huh, sir, but it's not that big. I did it in like 2 lines, so I don't know if it's right or wrong.
Send it to me. No problem. 2 lines, 1 line, it's all fine. And what about Yahya?
Yes, sir. आपको 1 मिनट भेज रहा हूँ.
जी, भेजिए. Noha, what about you?
Sir, I'm unable to do it.
Sorry?
I'm unable
क्या
to
कह रहे हैं?
solve it.
You're unable to solve it. Why? Tell me the formularity. No, Rishita. Yes. Yeah, but इतना कम नहीं, थोड़ा सा लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. It's fine though. Yes, tell me, Noha, what is the formula for molarity? Molarity is equal to
WB
units लिखी. हाँ जी, Noha बताइए. WB
into 1000
into 1000
divided by MB
MB into
volume in ml.
volume in ml. ठीक है. What is WB, Noha? W is for mass and B is for what? Solute or solvent. B किसके लिए यूज करते हैं?
Solute.
Solute. तो mass of solute, what is the mass of solute? What is the mass of solute? What is in minor amount? We have two things, na? NaOH and water. Tell me what is small and what is large. What is the solute, Noha? NaOH or water?
NaOH.
ठीक है, तो 30 ग्राम्स. क्या हो, इतना देर क्यों लग रहा है आपको? 30 into 1000 molar mass of the solute. MB will be what? M is molar mass. B is for solute. ठीक है, तो molar mass of solute will be, चलिए हम आपको, चलिए मान लेते हैं आपको दिया हुआ हो, ठीक है ना, इसका दिया हुआ मोलर मास इज इक्वल टू 40. ठीक है, अगर नहीं तो यू शुड नो इट दो. 23 + 1 फॉर हाइड्रोजन एंड 16 ऑक्सीजन विल बी 40. ठीक है, 40 into what is the volume of solution? What is the volume of solution, Noha?
100 ml.
100 ml. Now you can solve this, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please solve it. And whatever you get, it will be in moles per liter, or you can only write capital M. ठीक है, यहिया आप इस चीज के लिए ध्यान दीजिएगा. ठीक है, पाएंगे यहिया? You will
Yes,
write the
sir.
units. ठीक है, otherwise in board examinations half marks will be deducted if you don't write the units. Okay, please calculate this, Rishita and Noha. ठीक है, Although I would suggest now, even if you want to remember this one, then it is fine. But I think molarity, it is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution. This is something that generally people remember. Okay? So you can remember this one also. You can calculate the number of moles as what? Same thing, 30 upon 40, number of moles. Volume in liters. So 100 ml in liters will be equal to what? 100 upon 1000. And this 1000 will go above and it will be the same thing. Okay? So both the ways are valid. There is no issues in any way. Okay? But calculate this and tell me what is the value. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled. 30 upon 4. So 7 is 28. Remainder is 2. And then 5 4s is 20. 7.5 moles per liter or 7.5 molar. This will be the answer. Will you please copy this down, Rishita and Noha. Noha, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Let me know once you're done writing. Done. Rishita and Noha done. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You see this question, guys, all of you. Here they are asking 50 ml of aqueous solution of glucose. The molar mass has been given, contains 6.02 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. The concentration of the solution will be. Okay. Now, here they have given a lot of information, but all of these informations are not useful. They're asking the concentration in molarity. So molarity, we know that will be equal to number of moles of solute divided by the volume. So volume of solution has been given as 50 ml. So we can convert it into liters. That is not an issue. We have to calculate number of moles. Now, number of moles, generally we have been given by given mass by molar mass, but we also know there is one more formula, that number of particles divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Now, in this case, what is the number of particles? Number of molecules inside the solution is how much? It is 6.02 into 10 to the power 22 divided by 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. This will be equal to 0.1. Makes sense? 6.02, 6.02 will be cancelled. 22 and 22 of these will be cancelled, and there will be 10 remaining in the denominator. So 1 upon 10 is equal to 0.1. So I can write it as 0.1 or 1 upon 10. So this is the number of what? Moles. We have got the number of moles. The volume is 50. So I will write 1 upon 10 number of moles into 50 divided by 1000, and that will go above. It will be multiplied by 1000. 10 and 1 0 will be cancelled. 50 2s are. So molarity, it is equal to what? 2 molar. Okay. So option number D. Does this make sense? Yes or no? Please tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Noha,
Yes, sir.
make sense? ठीक है. नोहा,
Yes,
पक्का समझ में आया?
yes, sir.
ठीक है. Copy this down. This was asked in 2020. By the way, Yahya, did you make an account on Learnivio?
No, sir. I have to make one.
अच्छा, वो जल्दी कर लीजिए, ठीक है ना? We'll be starting assessment very soon.
Okay, sir.
Is everyone done writing?
No, sir.
Okay. Raise your hand once you're done writing. Okay, Harsha is done. Waiting for Mariam, Noha, Rishita, and Yahya. Waiting for Noha, Rishita, and Yahya now.
Finish, sir.
Next. Noha done writing?
Yes, sir.
So that's it for today. Okay? And we'll be continuing with concentration terms in the next class. And we'll also be starting a new batch. Okay? So Harsha, you can attend both the batches. I mean, all of you can attend both the batches if you want. Okay? Hopefully,